Welcome back, guys. So my name is Ryan and you're watching Android Explored. So tablets have come a really long way in the past few years, especially the Galaxy Tab series as well as the iPad series. So in this video I'm gonna be sharing you my experience of using a tablet only as a laptop replacement. So basically everything that I normally do on my laptop, I'm gonna be doing on my Galaxy Tab for a week. So with that said, let's get into this video and enjoy it. And if you enjoy this video, please leave a like, and subscribe to this channel for more content. And let's get started. So what I do on my laptop normally is basically video editing and basically graphic design work such as thumbnail making and content creation in general, as well as the more general tasks such as movie watching or video watching, entertainment, and stuff like that. So now the biggest advantage that the tablet has in compared to a laptop is the portability factor. Now tablets come in variety of flavors as well as laptops do. Laptops may come in form of a tablet where you can detach the screen from the keyboard, as well as you have keyboard cases for the tablet. Now my experience in the entire week that I've been using this tablet, I have not been using a tablet keyboard case, which is one, because I just I just prefer the touch experience. Secondly, I've been using a stylus. Now, coming to the stylus for a bit, the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus does not come with the S Pen included, nor does it support the S Pen. So basically, I have to prompt for a third party or for alternative. So does that hinder the experience? Maybe, but in my experience, I found the third party option to be slightly behind the S Pen. I did use a S Pen on a tablet before, so now I know how the differences are. So the third party option had a bit of an input lag, but that's about it. Now the second advantage the laptop has in comparison to the tablet is the port situation. Now in any tablet, in any tablet you might have you only have one port, either if you are using an iPad, which is USB-C nowadays, or if you're older iPad, you might have Lightning. But the Samsung Galaxy Tab has USB-C, so you might be basically disconnecting and connecting more often from like USB drives, hard drives, etc. Or you might be using a USB dongle. So that's the kind of situation here. But on a laptop, you might have more ports such as USB-A, HDMI, micro SD cards. Well, micro SD cards also available on the tablet, but I'm talking about the bigger SD card, the memory card slots. So yeah, the port situation is there in the Galaxy Tab versus the laptop. Now the other thing is, when it comes to video editing, the biggest hurdle that I found in this challenge is the video editing experience on the tablet. Because this is a budget model, the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus struggles to scroll through 4K footage smoothly. So what I had to do was basically lower the resolution on the timeline to full HD, or maybe even 720p in some cases. So that's something to keep in mind. So with that said, would I recommend anyone switching to a tablet as part of basically replacing the laptop? It As I said in my original video, it ultimately comes down to your use case. If you prefer portability over the laptop over well, if you prefer the portability of a tablet, then by all means you can go ahead. But do keep in mind that there are some limiting factors when it comes to the tablet, such as lack of ports, as well as sometimes the styluses might not be supported. So but that all depends on the model that you go for. So with that said, this is Ryan, and now with that said, basically, now would I be sticking with the Galaxy Tab? Of Absolutely yes, because my laptop over here is an Intel Pentium dual core, and it's much better the tablet is much better than the laptop. So, and it's much more powerful for me and much more convenient for me to use for my daily tasks such as content creation for this channel and whatnot. So with that said, my name is Ryan, and you're watching Under Explode. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to, if you like to see more content, and leave a like and comment down below if you have attempted this challenge, and how did it go and your experience. Thank you for watching.